What's up, YouTube? Famous Nobody crew. Just got this new used Carhartt hoodie jacket. I'm gonna go on the DIY diet. I'm gonna dye it. I don't care what color it's gonna be because I already got one similar to this color. And y'all gonna go along with me on how to do it. I don't care what color come out. I wanna do like a loud color. Like I always see greens and pinks and shit like that. I wanna do like a mixture of probably like a purple and like an orange or something like that with a dye, just to see how it come out. So, I mean, we're gonna see. Go along with me on this little journey, this little dye journey, and see how we do. Be right back.
Baby, I can pop out right now, put my big one on these hoes down. I'm not acrobatic, I'm not flipping on my bros. No, all my shit be factual, I cannot get exposed. Real talking stick, I catch a bitch before I catch a cold.
So, we have the red dye. I don't know what color I'm gonna go with. I like that pink floral. Then you got the eagle green, aqua color, and the wine. We're gonna see what it do. We got all the other materials from the dollar store. I got my Dawn, I got my salt, and I got my spatula. Now it's time to get the experimenting. You see where we at? We in Walmart. Everything here is Walmart. You need to get the dye fixed. It fixes the color, keep the color in there after it cures. Well, it keeps it cured, you understand? So, I don't know what color I'm gonna go with. I'm thinking of this pink. I like this pink color. And maybe mix it, but we'll see. And we'll check back at another update when we get to the crib with the and put it in the water. Alright. We're gonna do a pre-wash. Doing a little pre-wash, pre-rinse before we dye it. See the color. The tannish brownish. So now, put the hot water in. Put the hot water in. Hey, Meta, stop recording. And you see, the jacket is in. The jacket. Hey, Meta, stop recording. Jacket in. Sitting there for a minute. Good. So you're kind of gonna see like the color that it's gonna be when the water drips out. It's gonna be like a bluish. This ain't the color I was going for. I ain't even lying. Won't lie. You see, it's like a blue tint to it. I was looking for more like a pinkish color, but it's cool. Like I said, we're just experimenting. So either way, it'd be alright. If not, I mean, I got other ones I can try to. It ain't about nothing. So you see the Carhartt color still on there. Remember, the color was like, the jacket was, initially was like a dark brown. Now it look like a wine bluish color, like a faded, like a dark wine with the blue. But after I put the dye cure in there and then dry it and wash it, who knows, it might come out a different color. But for right now, it's gonna be like a purple color like that, like a darkish purplish bluish color probably. But yeah, we're gonna get back at y'all when we get to the next step. Hey Meta, start recording. Alright, so it's the moment of truth. What color this joint gonna be? I hope this shit don't still look the same color. But we're gonna see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, alright. It's like a purplish color. Remember, this one was tan. It came out purple, like a purplish color. That's cool. Now we're gonna dry it. And dry it, the color's still gonna come in a little bit better. But it definitely came out like a wine, like a champagne color. So, yep.
I can pop out right now, put my big one on these hoes down. I'm not acrobatic, I'm not flipping on my bros. No, all my shit be factual, I cannot get exposed. Grew up talking shit, I catch a bitch before I catch a cold.